Glaciers are like nature's giant water towers, storing over 70% of our planet's freshwater. But they're melting at an alarming rate due to climate change. This isn't just a distant problem, it's affecting ecosystems, raising sea levels, and threatening our very survival. As these icy giants shrink, we lose not only a vital water source but also the unique habitats they support. The ripple effects touch us all, from increased flooding to disrupted weather patterns. Understanding this crisis is crucial. Our future depends on it. Glaciers are fascinating giants, slowly carving their way through the Earth. Over thousands of years, layers of snow compress into solid ice, creating these massive rivers that flow at a glacial pace. Found in stunning places like Antarctica and the Himalayas, they do more than just look majestic. They play a crucial role in regulating our climate by reflecting sunlight and storing fresh water. As they move, they shape landscapes and ecosystems, reminding us of the power and beauty of nature. Rising global temperatures are melting our glacier at an alarming rate. Human activities, like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial pollution, are trapping greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. This is not just a statistic, it's a reality that raises Earth's temperature and accelerates ice loss. Just look at the charts showing this dramatic rise. Each year, we lose more ice, impacting sea levels and ecosystems. If we don't change our ways, we'll witness a world where glaciers are mere memories. It's time to act before it's too late. As glaciers melt, billions of gallons of water surge into our oceans, pushing sea levels higher and higher. This isn't just a distant problem, it's a reality for low-lying nations like the Maldives and Bangladesh, where entire communities are at risk of disappearing. Major cities like New York and Miami are also in the crosshairs, facing increased flooding and storm surges. Imagine walking through a once bustling coastal town, now submerged. We're not just watching history unfold, we're living it. The time to act is now, before these vibrant places become memories washed away by the rising tide. Glaciers are like nature's water towers, supporting billions of lives. As they melt, they feed vital rivers like the Ganges, Yangtze, and Colorado. But with each passing year, these majestic ice giants shrink, and we're facing a growing water crisis. Farmers struggle to irrigate their fields, and reservoirs that once brimmed with life are drying up. This isn't just about water, it's about our future, our agriculture, and the energy we rely on. If we don't act now, we risk losing these essential lifelines. As glaciers melt at an alarming rate, entire ecosystems are thrown into chaos. Polar bears, once masters of the ice, now struggle to find stable ground, losing their hunting grounds and their young. Meanwhile, penguins huddle on shrinking icebergs, their breeding cycles disrupted. Cold water fish like salmon face vanishing habitats, altering migration patterns that have existed for centuries. The delicate balance of life is unraveling, as plants and animals can't adapt fast enough to the changing water flow. Every drop of melting ice sends ripples through our planet's intricate web of life. Melting glaciers are more than just a sign of climate change, they're a ticking time bomb. As these massive ice sheets melt, they form glacial lakes that can suddenly burst, unleashing torrents of water that devastate everything in their path. Imagine a serene mountain village, suddenly engulfed by a raging flood. But that's not all. Unstable ice can collapse, triggering avalanches and landslides, turning peaceful slopes into chaotic slides of rock and ice. The beauty of these landscapes hides a dangerous reality, reminding us that nature's power is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Protecting our glacier is crucial in the fight against climate change. Every time we reduce fossil fuel use and embrace renewable energy like wind and solar, we're slowing down glacier loss. Imagine a world where our forests thrive, absorbing carbon and keeping our planet cool. International agreements, like the Paris Accord, are our roadmap, aiming to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Together, we can make a difference. Every action counts, from supporting climate summits to joining youth marches. Let's protect our glacier and secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Glaciers are disappearing at an alarming rate, and it's heartbreaking to witness. These majestic giants, which have stood for thousands of years, are melting before our eyes. But there's hope. By changing our lifestyles, reducing emissions, and demanding action from leaders, we can protect these icy wonders. Imagine children gazing at towering peaks, their eyes filled with awe, knowing they'll inherit a world where glaciers still exist. The time to act is now. If we unite and make conscious choices, we can preserve these frozen landscapes for generations to come. The question is, will we rise to the challenge?